Question 1. Which city is also known as the cultural capital of India? Correct answer is A. Kolkata. Question 2. Which schemes of the Union government has entered into Guinness Book of World Record? Correct answer is D. PM Jan Dhan Yojana. Question 3. Which cities are known as the Golden Triangle of Indian tourism? Correct answer is A. Delhi, Jaipur and Agra. Question 4. Which Indian state is called the Falcon capital of TH World? Correct answer is B. Nagaland. Question 5. The agency in India that is authorized to maintain Indian Standard Time is? Correct answer is D. National Physical Laboratory. Question 6. Which plateau is also known as Heart of Industrial India? Correct answer is C. Chota Nagpur. Question 7. When was Make in India launched by Government of India? Correct answer is B. The 25th of September 2014. Question 8. Golden Handshake scheme in India is related with? Correct answer is A. Voluntary retirement. Question 9. The India Gate was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who were killed during? Correct answer is B. World War I. Question 10. What is the official residence of the Indian Prime Minister? Correct answer is C. 7. Lok Kalyan Road. Question 11. Who prepares the topographical maps of India? Correct answer is B. Survey of India. Question 12. Which Indian state's tagline is Heart of Incredible India? Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 13. Who designed the Aadhaar logo? Correct answer is A. Atul S. Pandey. Question 14. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Correct answer is C. Tessie Thomas. Question 15. Who designed the national flag of independent India? Correct answer is D. Pingali Venkaya. Question 16. Which was the first state in India to pass the GST bill? Correct answer is D. Assam. Question 17. Who was the first non-Indian to receive Bharat Ratna? Correct answer is C. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question 18. Which city of India is also known as Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer is D. Bengaluru. Question 19. In which of these countries were the first Asian Games 1951 held? Correct answer is A. New Delhi, India. Question 20. Which state is officially declared as the first digital state of India? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 21. Which is the first movie made in India? Correct answer B. Raja Harishchandra. Question 22. The notar option was first used in the elections in? Correct answer is C. 2013. Question 23. Which fort is also known as the Golden Fort in India? Correct answer is D. Jaisalmer Fort. Question 24. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, is located in _ Correct answer is B. Assam. Question 25. On which date the new Parliament building was formally inaugurated? Correct answer is B. On the 28th of May 2023. Question 26. In India, the financial year runs from _ to _ Correct answer is A. April 1 to March 31st. Question 27. The Kargil operation was named as. Correct answer is B. Operation Vijay. Question 28. Who was the author of the book, Wonder That Was India? Correct answer is C. A. L. Basham. Question 29. The phrase, God's own country, is used to refer which Indian state? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 30. Bharat Ratna was first awarded in. Correct answer is C. 1954. Question 31. Who was the architect of the new Parliament building? Correct answer is B. Bimal Patel. Question 32. The Western Ghats was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in. Correct answer is C. 2012. Question 33. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance from the state. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 34. Who was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament? Correct answer is C. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question 35. Which day was declared as the Direct Action Day by the Muslim League? Correct answer is B. The 16th of August 1946. Question 36. Sunset law is associated with. Correct answer is B. Zamindari system. Question 37. Which mountain range separates the Indo-Gangetic Plain from Deccan Plateau? Correct answer is C. The Vindhyas. Question 38. Which is the longest beach in India? Correct answer is D. Marina Beach. Question 39. The Andaman Group of Islands and the Nicobar Group of Islands are separated by which one of the following? Correct answer is B. 10-degree channel. Question 40. Which place is now known as White Water in India? Correct answer is D. Siachen. Question 41. Which of the following state receives rainfall due to western disturbances? Correct answer is A. Punjab. Question 42. Undisco is the oldest oil field in India and still producing oil. Correct answer is C. Digboy. Question 43. Which city is known as Manchester of India? Correct answer is C. Ahmedabad. Question 44. State in India with the longest coastline is. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. Question 45. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution introduced the anti-defection law? Correct answer is A. 52nd Amendment. Question 46. Who among the following decides whether a bill is a money bill? Correct answer is D. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question 47. No tax shall be levied or collected except by authority of law. Which article of the Constitution of India provides this? Correct answer is D. Article 265. Question 48. The national calendar, which is based on Saka era, was introduced in the year. Correct answer is D. 1957. Question 49. According to Census 2011, which state has negative population growth? Correct answer is B. Nagaland. Question 50. India's first tribal university was established in. Correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Question 51. The ancient city of Vijayanagar is now known as. Correct answer is D. Hampi. Question 52. With how many countries India share its land borders? Correct answer is C7. Question 53. The first Field Marshal of India was. Correct answer is C. SHF J. Manekshaw. Question 54. The Kaziranga National Park is located in. Correct answer is C. Assam.